Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix login error in Meezan. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To fix the issue, first method that you can do is check your internet connection. To do it, drop down your notification bar from the top right corner of your screen, then try switching the Wi-Fi on and off. If that doesn't work, then simply switch over to the mobile data, and then if that still doesn't work, then restart your router if you're using your Wi-Fi. Then the problem should be fixed. If that doesn't work, the next method that you can do is make sure your username and password are correct. Simply head over and open up your Meezan application, and then common mistakes that can be made is from capital letters, extra spaces, or old saved passwords from autofill. Try typing your password manually. Then next method that you can use is simply heading over back to your home screen and opening up settings. Inside settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, scroll down until you find the Meezan application, and then simply tap on it. And once you tap on that, you'll find the option that says offload app. Simply tap on that, and then what you need to do is wait for it, and this resets your app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once that's done, what you can do is go back and try again, and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.